What's up, party people? This one goes out to all the video editors out there. We are collaborating more with our PR department. I have been, up until recently, insufficiently communicating with our PR director about the videos that we're putting out, and as a result, we haven't been getting the viewership that we love and deserve. The PR director just needs a little bit more stuff from us to help promote the videos that you edit. So this right here is the promo folder that you will make as a video editor to put three things in. One will be a still photo that you take by exporting out a frame at a time. One will be a GIF, which you can make GIFs. Let's see if it'll load. They're just fun to make. Like, who doesn't want to make that? It's so much fun. And then also just an excerpt. So just think of a stretch of the video that's interesting that you would want to see on the KVRX Instagram story.
This one's called The Baby Maker.
Tentative title.
Tentative title.
I can almost guarantee it's not gonna go down.
Yay, big yay, because we have a bunch of videos that can be edited now. So notice that the things on the spreadsheet right now are looking a little different than they used to. That's because I changed them. So as soon as it's blue, tracks chosen or edit whole set, then you can edit the video. I changed assign to dibs because that's pretty much what it is, because we're not ready to edit these videos yet. Like, if you really loved the band, like, Ollie claimed dibs on Astrogal. That's cool, but I'm gonna have to email the band first before I can tell anybody, like, okay, like, you can edit these tracks of the whole set, or you can edit the whole set. Now, if you just have a fire in your belly and you just really want to edit a set, even though I'm telling you to wait for tracks, if you want to like edit the whole thing, I mean, just know that the artist could very well be like, I hated that performance and I never want to see it again. So like, and it could have nothing to do with your edit at all. So just be prepared for that to be possible. So please don't start editing a video until you have a direction. If you either know edit whole set, like you see right here, or tracks chosen. Now, if tracks are chosen, let's see who this is. Moving panoramas. Cool. So I'm going to go and find the moving panoramas folder. And how am I going to know what tracks to edit? Well, guess what? There's a production sheet for that. You open it up and you can find the set list and the song names, and then now you know that you need to edit songs 3 through 5, which are called Cool, One, and Baby Blues. So then the YouTube title and description, you know what it's going to look like after that. 1 is going to be Cool. 2 is going to be 1. 2 is going to be 1. Kill me. And 3 is going to be Baby Blues. Jeez, I had to pick this for the example. Also, just a fact on whenever you're, and you sign your name right here as the video editor, of course. Just something that we're trying to do is encourage people using Bandcamps instead of Spotify for the link in the description of the YouTube videos, just because Bandcamp allows people the opportunity to buy the artist merch and give them money and stuff like that. So let's see if Moving Panoramas doesn't think they're too good for a Bandcamp, and they don't. So I'm gonna copy this link up here, pow, 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 and then say, listen to and support Moving Panoramas here. Cool. So that will later be the YouTube video description right there. I don't know if you all know to use the I key and the O key to set in and out points. So if I if I were to select, you know, this as my in and out, you can see that it's highlighted right there. And if I were to go up to File, Export Media, then I'm just going to be exporting, as you can see, source range, sequence in and out. So that's what an in and out is. Like that is the in point and the out point. So so I can select a smaller excerpt of a whole video by using in and out points. Okay, File, Export Media. So go up here, select Animated GIF, and then go down to Video and change these settings. Quality stays at 100, but width and height, keep this locked right here so that the aspect ratio stays the same, and change the width to 600, then change the frame rate to 10. That will make it small enough of a file to be posted on Twitter, and the 10 frames per second makes it look all gify. And now the GIF is going to look like this. Also, if you go to the KVRX production drive, presets and templates, right there, if you download this right here, there's a preset for all of the GIF settings that you need. So that whenever you go File, Export Media, go up here, Animated GIF, Preset, KVRX Twitter GIF. Boom. And then it sets it all like that for you. So the next thing I'm going to do is find a still frame. Say that frame. That frame is fine. So I'm going to hit I and O immediately after that. So it just selects this one frame. And I'm going to go up to File, Export, Media. And then in format, instead of animated GIF or this codec or whatever, just JPEG. Just exporting a JPEG. I'm going to hit export. It takes like 1 second. And then right here in the folder, you've got a still image right there. So that's going to be useful for like Twitter, but also like think of what you would pick as the thumbnail for the video, because we can have like a custom thumbnail for the video this way. Cool. So now that we've gone through that, and look how you would upload it right here. It's the bands folder and then promo.